bearish until we have a lower high get put in, or until some structure breaks, and vice versa for the downside. Um, so obviously, when it comes to trends, just put fairly simply, using the uptrend as an example. Um, Fair enough, it's one thing knowing that, okay, yes, price is putting in higher highs, higher highs and higher lows, and yes, it's trending upwards, but how would you necessarily, I guess, capitalize on that? In an uptrend, your main objective is to catch each high and low, um, so that you're catching nice low points in line with the flow of the overall trend. So your objective is to enter here and let the market kind of almost do the rest of the work for you, simply through the flow and momentum of what's happening. Um, your main objective is to catch higher lows, simply because obviously the trend is your friend. So if you do it correctly, on catching your higher lows, you shouldn't actually have to close your position if you want to ride the whole trend. Whereas if you were to be shorting in a market that's moving up, essentially you're always going to get to a point where you're going to have to close your trade, because generally you're fighting the flow of the market and the trend of the market. So in an uptrend, your main objective is to catch higher lows and trade in line with the trend, and in a downtrend, it's going to be to catch lower highs. So today we're just going to focus on major price swings. Major price swings are just the price swings for the major swing points, so from major lows into major highs. I'm just going to concentrate on these, what these mean and how we use them for today. Obviously, in a future session, or possibly even in this one, we'll take a look at some of the minor price swings that occur within the major price swings. So like some of the smaller swings like here, as opposed to like the bigger thing going on, just some of the smaller ones that are occurring within them. But for now, we'll stick to the major price swings. So now we're going to look at actual market structure. So first, we were just looking at just simple trends and like moving up or moving down or moving sideways, just being able to tell that by looking at highs and lows. Now we're going to look at market structure. Market structure is also fairly simple. It's just a bit more of an advanced way of looking at trends. So let's say we were down here, yeah, and price was chilling down here. We didn't have, well, we weren't too clear on which way price wanted to break, or we weren't too clear on which way price was moving per se. Yeah, what we would do to ascertain direction would be, we would find the last major swing high and the last major swing low. Yeah, so the last major swing high is going to be just up here.